And first of all, we have to mark the territory. So I have the Temu shed as 8x6. So I'm digging up a rectangle of 9x7 to give half foot margin. Um, and so first of all, I have put some stakes. These are my stakes after measuring the area. So you can see them here, then two on the other side, and then I have marked the territory where I'm gonna dig, and I have started to dig, and now I'm gonna first finish up the digging. So I have dug it up now, and I'm gonna remove some soil out of it, and then I will put the weed barrier in. So I have dug up the area, and I have got the sand to pour in it here. So the sand is multi-purpose sand. Now I have put the sand down after digging up the whole thing, and I have put the soil out, and then I have put 10 bags of 25 kg sand on top of it to level it down. Then I have leveled it with the leveler and then compactor, and now I have put the weed blocker on, and now our base is ready. We're gonna start building the shed now. Now the packet of the Temu comes in 3 packets. They are marked 1x3, 2x3 and 3x3. I have started with the base, so I have opened 3x3. So 3x3 contains the base things. So first I am taking the base one off. One of the difficulty I found is that the parts are stuck together. It's hard to get them away from each other, so it's a little bit difficult, but you still have to do it. But they gave me these gloves, so these are nice. So yeah, now I'm gonna take first the base parts out, and the 3x3 also contain all the nuts, so here I'm gonna start with it. So the parts are very well marked, so you can see the part number clearly indicated on all the parts, but they are just difficult to take away from each other. They are packed too tight. Make sure that these holes are on top rather than on the bottom. I made this mistake. All my holes were down. I have to redo them to get the holes on the top rather than on the